And Cyclone Amphan will make a landfall close to Sundarbans between Digha in West Bengal and Hatiya Islands in Bangladesh as an extremely severe cyclonic storm. Red warning has now been issued for the coastal areas in West Bengal and North Odisha. The cyclone is expected to pound West Bengal coast with maximum sustained speed of 155 to 165 kilometers per hour, gusting to 185 kilometers per hour. North coastal districts of Odisha will experience heavy rainfall, whereas very heavy rains will lash out on coast districts of West Bengal. Assam is on high alert at the moment. At least 3 lakh people have been evacuated from coastal Odisha. NDRF has now deployed 41 teams in Odisha and in West Bengal. Indian Coast Guard and the Navy have deployed ships and helicopters for relief and rescue operations.
We are issuing several advisories like total suspension of fishing operation, total suspension of all other activities. People are advised to remain indoor, and those who are in the vulnerable buildings or vulnerable places are advised to move in a safer place.
My colleague Pooja Shali spoke to NDRF Chief SN Pradhan. Listen in to what he has to say about the ground situation at the moment, and then we are joined by a reporter for more on the cyclone updates.
How precisely is the NDRF ensuring that they evacuate and also maintain preparations for the least impact of this landfall? Sir.
Well, the situation as it obtains now is that we have deployed about 20 teams in Odisha and about 19 teams in Bengal, West Bengal. 2 teams are on standby in West Bengal. So all the 20 teams are deployed in Odisha. So totally 41 teams are deployed between the 2 states. And as we speak, a lot of people have been evacuated since yesterday evening. In the afternoon, the process started, and in both the states, in excess of 4 lakh people have been evacuated. In Bengal, West Bengal, as the state has reported, 3,30,000 have been evacuated as reports last came in. And in Odisha, by the report that I just got just before this interview, I think almost 1.5 lakh people have been evacuated from the high impact districts. So evacuation has happened, but then I think the most important thing is to watch the curvature of the cyclone and monitor it very closely. As we speak, the wind has picked up near the Paradip coast, and the system is moving towards the coastal areas of Bhadrak and Balasore, which are supposed to be the high impact districts in Odisha. But even then, the brunt of the cyclone is supposed to be borne by the area between Digha in West Bengal and the Hatiya island of Bangladesh. And that would mean the landfall would be somewhere near the Sagar Island and the Kakudip area of West Bengal. These are highly populated, densely populated areas, and has to be watched closely. At what speed, wind speed, the landfall happens, and what will be the precipitation at that time. And the second concern is the predicted storm surge, because this is the delta area very, very close to the sea, and there are a lot of rivers and rivulets, hundreds of rivers and rivulets. So the storm surge from the sea, which is predicted to be 4 to 6 meters. And we must also remember that today happens to be the no moon day, and this is a Amavasya, which has its own tide formations. Yes. So the storm surge will ride over that tide formation. So we are looking at something like 4 to 6 meters or in excess of that, and that water is going to enter land. So preparations have to be made accordingly, and the NDRF has also advised the local administration accordingly.
Let's now take a look at this ground report that is coming in from Kolkata, where high tides can be seen in the Hooghly River. Take a look.
As Cyclone Amphan nears Bengal, the impact can be felt here in capital Kolkata as well. Very inclement weather since this morning. As you can see, gusty winds accompanied by heavy rains. At this point, we are on the banks of the Hooghly River, and the kind of waves that we are seeing in this Hooghly River is not something that we've seen. We generally see it. Quite high tides. We can see a lot of barges, a lot of launches that are still floating on the river right now, and the areas next to the riverbank have been alerted so that people do not venture out during this inclement weather. The Kolkata Municipal Corporation has taken several steps because Kolkata is a metropolitan city, very congested with a huge population, and the worry is when the cyclone finally makes a landfall in West Bengal, wind speeds of over 100 kilometers per hour will be witnessed here in Kolkata, and that means it's going to cause some amount of damage to property. Areas like Namkhana, Kakdweep, very distant areas. People, about 3 lakh of them, have now been evacuated by the West Bengal government, and at this point in time, people are keeping their fingers crossed so that the cyclone, in a sense, loses steam. But the Met Department has predicted that as far as Kolkata is concerned, wind speeds would be more than 100 kilometers per hour, and that is quite worrisome as far as the entire state administration is concerned. With camera person Probir Biswas Indrajit for India Today in Kolkata.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.